Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to add keywords on Google Ad. So simply you can see I have opened my Google Ad account. So you can see there are many keywords available here. So simply you can add many keywords that are already listed here. So first of all we are going to add some random keywords here, like I have added game store. So simply click on plus button and add multiple here. So you can also customize a add keyword here, like I am adding this. So you can add more keywords according to your choice. Simply click on next. So when you click on next, so simply here you can also select your location and type the zip code, like I'm typing the random zip code here. You can also add zip code here and add the location by clicking on next. So in this way you can add keywords on Google Ads.